All right, let me know. Oh, it's already recording.
Okay, so this is the Hydrographics control panel. Testing. Turn it on right now. Alright, so there's power going to the timer relay and the controller, PID controller. And this is the indicator light for the main power. Here's the emergency stop button. Hitting this should shut off everything. Okay, everything shuts off. Turn it back on. Okay. And here's the temperature reading for the PID. This is in Celsius. Here's the temperature probe right here. If I put my hand on it, the temperature should start rising. Going up. Then the set point is at 28.5 degrees Celsius. So, and once it reaches that, this indicator light will shut off, and there won't be any more power supplied to the heating elements. I'll just lower this. Well, that's going. Just test the. Alright, so here's the heating element. Right now it's outputting for both heating elements. So this heating element, when the heating element's on, the pump will always be on to circulate the warm water. So this is testing. We should get 220 volts out of the 220 volt socket or the receptacle. And there's 220 volts. And we should also get 110 out of the plug for the pump. There's 110 right there. So those are both working as they should. And let's turn on the other heating element. This is the second one. We should also get 220 volts coming out of this one. And there we go, 220 volts. Alright, so shutting these off. If we want to run the water pump independently from the heating elements just to circulate, turn that on, and we should get 110 volts. There's 110 volts. Switch off. Power is off. Okay, so, and then lastly, we'll set the timer to start. Once it reaches 60 seconds, the timer will go. The buzzer will sound, so we'll have that running. And then last is the PIDs. What that means is that the temperature probe, the connection is not.
Yeah, they're touching.
It's not right, so
there we go.
Now it's on. So once it reaches the low set point, I'll actually turn this on and then show you. Right now it's still outputting. It should be outputting. Oh, there's the buzzer. So the buzzer timed at, or sounded off at 60 seconds. This one stop 27. Alright, so there's 220 volts. Once it reaches the set point, it should shut off.
There we go.
Shuts off.
Powered up.
The PID is no longer outputting. That means the set point has been reached and the temperature has been achieved, so we can shut that off. And that's pretty much it.
Good job, Daniel.